Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, and today, Sari Sari Shop. We are in Chicago. We are no longer at our homestead, and show downward, Melanie, at my dashboard. Show the we're not in the truck. This is a brand new Dodge Charger that we rented, and we picked up some products for our store. It's been a while, and on this video we're going to show you, once we unload, some of the stuff we've got. We have got some really nice new products. It's been a while since we've restocked due to the circumstances in the world, which I can't say or I'll lose monetization. But everybody knows the circumstances and why we haven't been doing much recently with the store. It's actually been pretty much shut down all this time. But here we are restocking. We got some really cool things to show you. Some new products and some restock. And we are loaded. We are loaded. When we open the trunk at home, we're going to have to be very careful because stuff is going to want to fall out. And today we're going on into the city. I don't know if we'll have anything to share with you or not. I've never been into the city center. But we, since we were here, we decided to enjoy, not stress ourselves and not push ourselves too hard. And we've got an extra day to explore and enjoy. Figure we might as well enjoy it. We do have masks. We are going to be safe and see what is here. So, with that, I will continue driving and we'll see you later.
It's like in New York, isn't it?
Yeah, it's smaller, I think.
Yeah, in New York there's a lot of stuff in it.
I mean, look, that's all the skyscrapers you get. New York, you can drive for miles and see them.
It's like in the Philippines, isn't it?
I don't know, I never drove in the Philippines, so I can't compare.
No, I mean the building in the city, but not in, like in Manila City. Oh, you never been in Manila City?
Not city center. Well, we were at the Mall of Asia. Is it?
Yeah, that's on the end. That's outside.
Is that?
In a quarter mile, continue on to West Congress Parkway, West Ida B. Wells.
Can you imagine looking down and seeing people drive under you every day?
We're under the building. Oh no.
Oh, that's weird.
That's so nice. Hey, come on. Look at that building.
Chicago Stock Exchange. Look at that, Melanie. Straight up. Look at that. We're going to go underneath the stock exchange.
Whoa.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto South State Street.
Okay. Here we go. Chicago Stock Exchange. Riches are found and lost right there.
What is that statue?
Huh?
Is that eagle?
I can't concentrate on that.
Yeah.
That's a unique thing on that wall, though. Chicago is right on the water. I mean, I knew it, but it's like right there. I've never seen it. We're doing more of a driving tour than anything. It's cold and brutally windy. They call it the Windy City for good reason. We have no desire to get out in that. Look at the waves hitting up on here. See that?
Yep, I got it.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Yeah, I got no desire. Look at how, wow, being in a boat right now, can you imagine? Look at how big those waves are.
That is high.
So we're just taking a little driving tour, looking around. There's nowhere to park anyway. Everything everywhere is closed. It's a weird time in the world. Look at that water splashing up over there. Wow, the waves are insane right now. Yeah, we were hoping to find a place to sit and stop and eat the food that we brought with us, but we haven't been able to find a place except for a parking garage underground where you can stop and just enjoy. Everything is closed to the public right now. Probably gonna end up eating on the drive. Definitely no boating today. There's a beautiful parking lot. No way to get to it. I wonder if that's a newspaper. The Drake. Sounds like a newspaper name.
Yeah, it looks like.
The way it's written too, it definitely looks like a newspaper. It is a dark day for a cruise. I am thankful for my time in New York though, because otherwise I'd be a little bit uncomfortable driving here. Just, it isn't that bad, but if you were from the country like where I'm from,
It's gonna have a stressful, you know, you don't know what to do.
the roads are rough. The Jeep would have been rough here, eh?
American
Roads are
gift
narrow.
place.
I can't believe this is 3 lanes.
Look at that old building.
Looks like a castle.
It's actually a Chicago Water Works.
Oh, really? Cool looking for a city building.
Every time there is a
Wow, there's cops everywhere.
cops.
Everywhere. There's so much to take in when you're driving all at once.
Oh, look at that gold building. There is. That's my president.
What? You're what?
Trump.
Oh,
Just in it.
I didn't see what you were looking at. Well, the river is nice though.
Oh, there is some. What do you call that? See?
That funny building.
It's scary to drive in here. I cannot drive in this kind of place. I'd probably like, oh, oh.
Well, guys, there was nowhere to park. We drove around for a while. We had a mobile tour, and that was the end. There wasn't really... Everything's closed. They're going into lockdown again right now, so everything's closed up.
Merge onto I-90 West.
And we were hoping to go for a walk along the water somewhere, but that was just not possible. Or stop our car and have a picnic lunch, but it wasn't possible. So we're leaving. It's just not the right time to come to Chicago for anything.
I-90 West.
That's beautiful.
Well, guys, we're back to the homestead. Sadly, I didn't get a image of us with the car. We ended up, when we started to come back, we did it in a hurry, so we didn't get any photos of the car and whatever. We pushed hard and we got through, but this is all the products we got. Is that showing? I can't see my camera. Sort of dark. I don't have the light plugged in right now. We'll have to fix that later. But we've got here a lot of cases of new products that we just got in. All these cases of new products just came in. Oh, camera. Today. All the way back in there. There's products all the way through here. We'll do another video tomorrow. I know it's dark in here. There's all kinds of stuff up in here. New products, things we've never seen before. All kinds of cool things. Got some up on here. Stuff all over the place. So, and a lot of people will be happy. We got Skyflakes in again. We got a smaller pack. So, before we had the monstrous pack. Now we get smaller packs for those who like them. I think we got plain and chocolate. I'm not sure. We've got, oh yeah, I think we got the chocolate. We've got Copico candy back in. We've got the 3-in-1 Copico brown coffee. We've got the Champerato chocolate porridge, which sells out all the time. We've got the spaghetti sauce. We got 2 cases of spaghetti sauce. That always sells out. We got some more of the crispy fry. That always sells out fast. We got 3 packs of it this time. We got some brand new noodle type vermicelli noodles. Chinese noodles. Brand new. Never seen them before. Really nice. All kinds of... Oh, we got another Nora. We got different types of soup mix. Just add an egg and you've got soup in a pack. That is so neat. We've got some instant meals where... I don't know where they are. We did a rush job unpacking the car because we had to get it back. But we had, oh, we've got here, just in time for the holidays. Smells so good. Star anise. Oh, they're so good smelling. A whole case of them. We've got a lot of cool things. Oh, we got kimchi noodle soup. We've got some really neat soup mixes. We've got some heat meats. We got 2 different types of ramen noodles now. We've got some restock of things that we were selling well. We'll go over this later in another video. Oh, we've got the noodles back in. This is the Super Q Red. What am I trying to say? Cornstarch sticks. Very, very good seller. So we'll be going through this and reloading our shelves, and well, it's exciting. A lot of new stuff. So check it out, guys. Sari Sari Shop.org, and shop your favorite products. Now, it won't be up overnight. It'll take us a couple days, but remember that. Sari Sari Shop.org, and find your favorite products online and get them shipped to your door. Talk to you all later.